Hi, my name is Eric Moore, and I'm the product line manager for the shovel program here at BCA. And I'd like to introduce you to our new Bomber line of shovels. Starting off with the B1, all of our small bladed shovels are B1s. They're 9 by 10 blade size, and there's a fixed length and an extended. And so the B1 fixed length is 18 ounces, and the B1 extension length is 22 ounces. B2 shovel line, a little bit bigger blade. The blade is 10 by 11, comes in a fixed and an extension length, and so the fixed length is 22 ounces total, and the extension length we see here is 25 ounces. The B52 is our biggest blade by far. It's 11 by 13. It comes in an extension length only, and it has our new designed D-grip. In our Arsenal line of shovels, we have two main features. One stores a probe inside the shaft, and the other stores a saw inside the shaft. With the probe inside the handle, you press the button, pull out the top of the handle, and you have a full length 2.4 meter search and rescue probe. And the nice thing is you still have a handle that's very usable for continuing to dig, so you don't have to decide if you want your probe or your shovel. You need both. And this comes in the A1 blade, and it comes also in the larger blade that we call, for the Arsenal line, the A2. The saws come in both fixed and extension, and so there's four main products. There's a small blade, fixed or extension version, large blade, fixed and extension version. The Arsenal aspect of carrying the saw works the same on all. Just like the probe, push the button, pull out the handle, and you have a saw. New with the saws this year, we made the saw blades much more rigid than they were in the past, so much better for cutting through snow and for wood. And we've also added laser etched markings every 10 centimeters from 0 to 30. That's our Arsenal line of shovels. Digs hard, packs small. A couple of the main features of our new shovel line are strength, packability, and the ergonomics. We've done a couple of things to improve the strength of our shovels. We've removed the ferrule on the neck, and we've added welding into the back to make this super strong. We still have a 2-pin design for strength and redundancy with the shaft. We have a slight relief pattern on the blades, and so what this relief pattern does is it's in a couple of different directions, and so we have torsional stability both vertically, and because these are at different angles, it adds torsional stability, twisting in either direction. On the blade, a couple of just industrial design features. Basically, we have a slight leading edge on the front in order to cut through hard snow, but it's not a big point where it can get bent or damaged. We have a very low profile, what we call the nose of the shovel, in order to maximize the amount of snow that can be moved. Another feature is the packability, and you can see from the design it's very thin to fit in your pack. We've removed the ferrule, so we've removed that additional height so that it doesn't stick out of the top of your pack, and it doesn't poke forward enough that it pokes you in the back. So this is designed specifically to move the most amount of snow, but also fit in your pack comfortably. Talking about the industrial design and the grip, the angle of the grip is designed for the optimal angles of shoveling. It fits your hand very well so that you don't have to split your fingers like you do on some T-gripped shovel shafts.